Hi programmers, welcome back to the session. So today we have already learned how to use Scratch to draw a straight line as well as a square in my class. I'm now going to show you some more complicated one shape, that is a triangle. Believe it or not, a triangle is actually harder to draw than square. So let's get started. So you can see I've already created a project named Polygon in my Scratch. So instead of use a pencil as a sprite, I changed it into an arrow because it's easy there. It helps you to understand the angles and the moves of your pen. Okay, so I'm going to start from here, and my event is always the start event. So my first step, I think you can recall, is to put down your pen. It's pen down. That's my first step. And what's my second one? I want to draw a line. So by moving 100 steps, I can draw a line. So let's test that. First step, pen down. Second step, move 100 steps. So now you can see I drew a line. So next step is to make my pen turn some degrees. It might be difficult to figure out the numbers of degrees. So I found some online tools which can help you. So you can see your pencil was pointing to the right. So next one, I want my pen to turn to some degrees. If I turn up, then will be 90 degree, but I want it to turn more. I want it to turn to 120 degrees. Okay, so my next one will be turn left 120 degrees. Let's test that. I'll click on this. Oh, I can see the arrow has changed to 120 degrees. Next step, I want to draw a line again. So I do draw, move 100 steps. Let's see how that goes. I click on that. Here we can see draw another line. And next step, yes, I'm going to turn left again. I'm going to turn 120 degree again. I'm going to do that. And next one, I want to move 100 step again. Okay, I'll do that. I click on that. Okay, it's not finished yet because I want my pen to point to the initial direction, that is pointing to the right. So I will make it turn the same degree again. Okay, let's test that. Okay, now we can see my pen has gone back to the initial state. So that's it. So what we'll have, let's put them all together. In order to draw a triangle, we need pen down. We need to move 100 steps. We want to turn left for 120 degrees. When move 100 steps again and turn left again and move 100 steps again and turn left again. And then we can put our pen up. Let's give it a test again. So I'm going to clear the screen. I'll clear it. Let's test. Go. You can see it's actually moving very fast. So we can hardly see the the arrow being moving, but that's basically it. All right, so okay, here comes to our triangle program. You might feel it's a bit too complicated because it's doing the same thing again and again. For example, it's been moving 100 steps. Okay, make it wider so you can see clearly. It move 100 steps and turn, and next one it moves 100 steps and turn again. This is the second time, and it did a third time of the same thing. Right? So you probably don't want to copy paste 3 times, and then you want to use a loop. So you want to loop and tell the program you want these 2 pieces to do 3 times. So you want to carry out this for 3 times, and now you can throw away the next 2 because they have already been included in that repeat block. Okay, now I got a much simpler program. Let's give it a test again. Clear? Let's give it a go. And we can see it draws the same shape of rectangle. Oh, sorry, triangle. All right. I hope you like it. That's all for the triangle. Do your homework and let me know if you have some questions. Thank you. I'm going to stop.